Mastering the magic of where, non-defining relative clauses. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of non-defining relative clauses, specifically focusing on using the word where in relation to places. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use where to give extra information about places in your sentences without changing their basic meaning. Let's get started. A non-defining relative clause is a type of clause that we use to provide extra information about the noun it follows. This information is not essential to understanding the sentence. The clause is set apart by commas and the sentence will still make sense if it's removed. For instance, Paris, where I studied for a year, is a fantastic city. The clause, where I studied for a year, is providing additional, non-essential information about Paris. The relative pronoun, where, is used to refer to places in non-defining relative clauses. It helps us add more information about a place without changing the core meaning of the sentence. For example, my hometown, where I spent my childhood, is a small, quiet place. Notice how where is used to link the two parts of the sentence. The second part gives extra information about my hometown, but it's not essential for understanding that my hometown is a small, quiet place. Let's go through some more examples to solidify your understanding. 1. The library, where I often go to study, is just a block away from my apartment. 2. New York, where she landed her first job, is always bustling with energy. 3. The park, where we used to play football, has been renovated. In all these sentences, where is used to provide additional, but not essential, information about a place. Remember, the information added by the non-defining relative clause could be removed without changing the fundamental meaning of the sentence. And there you have it. You've now learned how to use where in non-defining relative clauses to add interesting details about places in your conversations or writing. Keep practicing, and soon enough, it'll become second nature. Remember, learning a language is a journey, so enjoy the process and don't rush. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep learning and growing.